have prickles because they taste better. The ones that don't have thorns don't taste very good. So the animals prefer the thorn bushes, even though it's awkward to eat them.
The woman who drove me here said that the elephants are destroying a lot of
just in front of me, to my left, talking Frank down there, but he's still up now. Ew. Okay.
It's typical that the younger males will go and find an older male to learn from once they leave the herd. So obviously if they've been with the herd their whole life, they don't really know what to do on their own. And then the older males will get the young males to do the More impalas at the head, I think.
There's just 6 cubs.
You need to be careful down there.
Can a leopard take down a zebra?
Not a big one.
That's right. Andrea, come on.
A big lion there.
What did you say?
He is a big lion. Yeah, I'm surprised you're not doing anything with it. Maybe you had to pull it out of the water because of the hippo being there.
There's the water bucks all over there.
we think that's why she was still trying to protect him, despite having already basically let him become independent.